So one of the things I want to talk to you a little bit about is doing due diligence when you buy an investment property. So you want to make sure you get all your inspections, your home inspection, all that kind of stuff. And you really want to have a good knowledge of how much deferred maintenance you're potentially going to run into. And I would suggest you don't buy anything that needs a ton of deferred maintenance. If it does, it's going to crush your cash flow long term. So, my suggestion is if you're looking at properties that have deferred maintenance, you need to do a bunch of work to them to get them in a good living condition from a standpoint of not having a ton of maintenance issues, right? But you need to do your home inspections, your pest inspections, if it's on well and septic, whatever the case is, you need to do your diligence down to the penny on any potential property that you buy. What are rental rates? What are appreciation rates? What are comps in the market? A lot of people, when they get burned on buying an investment property or buying investment real estate, is because they didn't do enough diligence. They didn't get the right information. If you're here on the Eastern Shore of Maryland, Southern Delaware, we can do all this for you. We can manage your properties. But if you're out there and you're watching this from an education standpoint, you need to find somebody that really understands the investment market, and you need to have them help you through the process. But also you've got to do your own diligence and really understand what you're getting into. Because if you buy the wrong property, you miss deferred maintenance, or you miss some things from a cash flow standpoint, it could take it from a good property to a not so good property pretty quick, or even to a negative cash flow. So be cautious when you're buying. Do your diligence. Get all your home inspections. Understand your numbers. Pencil everything out. Make sure that it works. And we've got other videos that explains other things that we look for when it comes to buying investment real estate. But you got to make sure you do your diligence, and do your diligence up front, and you're cautious and you go through all of it. Because if not, you can really get burned when it comes to buying an investment property. Be smart, get the right information, get the right knowledge.